Hi, my name is Thierry Gibalta, and in today's video we're gonna have a little bit different video. It's gonna be more of a vlog, and today I'm taking you with me to Fujifilm to get the 33mm f1.4. Let's go. So I've ordered this lens about 2 weeks ago now, when it was announced, 2 or 3 weeks, forgot. And yeah, I went straight to Fujifilm and pre-ordered it because I was thinking that this lens would be pretty popular and it will be hard to get my hands on it after its release, right? So that's why I pre-ordered it. Usually I don't do that, but just for this lens I did. So yeah, today I'm just gonna take you there with me, get the lens, and we're gonna maybe unbox it together and just give some first impression. Alright, let's go then. So I personally often go there when I ever need to do some maintenance or to rent some lens. So I'll leave in the description a link. If you ever come by, if you ever pass by Tokyo, I think it's a good place to be and a place to, rent some lens, do some maintenance, and also they also have exhibitions. So if you want to know more about Fuji gears, Fuji users, and Fuji photographers, I think it's a great place to be. So check the link in the description. Waiting to get my lens. So I just got the lens now. It's inside this bag, and something that I didn't know is that if you order your lens from here, you get 2 years extra warranty plus a present. So I got a nice bag. So yeah, that's another advantage of from ordering from the Fujifilm Plaza. So I'm definitely gonna buy more of my lenses from here now because you get extra perks for the same price. So why not? Now let's go to a cafe and I will unbox this lens with you guys. Okay, so I just stopped by a coffee shop right now to open this bag, and well, as you can see, we got the bag here that we got for free from Fujifilm. That was pretty good. Thank you for that. And right now, I guess we're just gonna open the XF33mm f1.4. Yeah, I'm kind of new to vlogs, so sorry if the setup is not ideal. I did not bring a tripod or anything, so yep, let's try to do it like that. Gonna drop the box because I don't think we're gonna need it. Okay, so it looks like all the cards are gone. So here's the lens with the beautiful lens cap. .33 lens cap on, lens hood on. So with the lens hood, you don't have access to the focus ring anymore. If you put it like this, all fine, right? So here you have the aperture ring. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. Hope you can. Beautiful sound. And the lock function that they have in their new lenses, right? So if you engage the auto, up, now it's locked in auto mode, right? You press this button, otherwise it doesn't work. It doesn't rotate. So unfortunately I only have one camera, so I can show you from the X-T4 how it looks like on the X-T4, right? But I'll switch to my phone and show you a little bit how it looks like. Okay, so here it is how it looks like on the X-T4. So as you can see, not too bulky. Definitely bigger than the 35mm f1.4, and I will make a comparison right after this one, because I brought it with me so you can check it out. Okay, so here is a comparison of the 35 next to the 33. So as you can see, there is a difference in size and weight also. Well, you can't feel the weight, but I can tell you there's some difference. So size, diameter and length, right? But it's not a huge difference either. Of course, the 35mm f1.4 is a little bit less bulky, but the 33mm is not a bulky lens by any means either. Alright, and well, that's it for me for today for the unboxing section. And from now on, I think I'll just go and walk around and play with the lenses. And I'll see you again at home after that. I can check all the pictures, because unfortunately I cannot take you with me anymore because I just lost my GoPro in Miyakojima. Long story short, yeah, I lost it there while taking some pictures. So yeah, cannot take you with me today to check the pictures, but we will definitely check the pictures together after when I'm back home. Cheers. Okay, so we are back now in my small apartment in Tokyo. And we just came back from about two hours of shoots with the 33mm f1.4. So today was not, I would say, ideal condition to shoot, because there was no actual sunset or sunrise or whatever, right? There was pretty much only a little light, meaning that I could not get the best out of the lens, not because of the lens, but because of the condition themselves. And so far so good. The 33mm f1.4 is a great lens, so it's built properly. So I don't know if you hear, maybe now that there is no noise, you'll hear a bit better the aperture ring noise. I mean, not noise, sound. The autofocus was really silent. The autofocus was on point. It was locking pretty much all the time. I did not miss any shot because of the autofocus, contrary to the 35mm f1.4 that I did not use today, but that I've used several times before. In terms of image quality, that's a really first reaction, but the image quality so far looks really good. It's, I would say, sharper than the 35mm. In terms of contrast and color reproduction, it's quite similar to the 35. But I still have to test videos. I haven't tested videos yet today, and I'll do that in the next video. So if you want to know a bit more about video comparison for the 33 and the 35, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So yes, so a few more tests that I would like to do is night shots. I need to go by night and shoot a bit in the street of, I don't know, Shinjuku or Shibuya maybe, to see how the lens behaves. A movie, take some shots, some moving shots, and see how the lens focuses, how the lens, if there is any focus breathing, etc. And overall use it a bit more to get more familiar with the new lens. Some people say that the 35mm has some magic to it that the 33 doesn't have. Well, just check the images and tell me what you think, but overall I think that the 33 is of course a bit more clinical, but it's a pretty good lens overall, and that through editing you can give it that magic that some people attribute to the 35mm f1.4. So yeah, so that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I will make sure in the next video to give you more detail about the 33mm f1.4 and more comparison with the 35mm f1.4. So I'll leave you with the pictures that I took today, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!